other updates today as the MP exam scam explodes. The Congress has now intensified its demand for a probe into the reported RSS link. Meanwhile, the RSS has downplayed the controversy, calling it a political conspiracy.
What began as a Madhya Pradesh-based scam and reached the Chief Minister's doorsteps has now exploded into a full-fledged national scam, with the senior RSS functionary's name also cropping up for his alleged link to the scam.
It's extremely unfortunate that despite allegations surfacing in the public space, the government is not agreeing to a CBI inquiry. There should be a court-monitored CBI inquiry so that the facts can come out in their entirety, or the court should take suo motu cognizance of it so that a special investigating team is constituted. Since there are a large number of influential names which have been mentioned, it is very imperative that the investigation should be impartial.
The Congress is always much more restrained and responsible in making allegations than the BJP has been in similar circumstances. I am saying that these are so serious as to require a thorough, independent and completely dispassionate, objective investigation, but most importantly within a time frame.
With sources stating that the senior RSS functionary was summoned by RSS Supremo Mohan Bhagwat. The Sangh is facing the heat, but the BJP is on the defense when it comes to its ideologue's alleged role in the scam.
कांग्रेस पार्टी अभी भी सीखने को तैयार नहीं है। अभी भी जो है कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने ही करप्शन के सूखे हुए कुएं से कंस्पिरेसी का काकरोच निकालने की कोशिश कर रही है।
The latest link coming out with the investigation by the special task force throwing up names of RSS leaders like Suresh Sone, allegations also surfacing of clear links to RSS leaders like him. Of course, there has been a statement by Mohan Bhagwat where he says that law will take its own course. But all these developments have given the Congress greater ammunition to hit back at the BJP, at the RSS, and specifically at the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
As more and more skeletons tumble out of the MP exam scam closet, the political controversy over the issue is only intensifying with each passing minute. Bureau Report, Times Now.